this recipe, I'm going to be using a food processor, but you can use a blender or you can use a bullet. So the first thing we're going to do is take our cilantro and I'm going to cut off the ends. Once our ends are cut off, we're going to go ahead and put it in a little vinegar bath. We're going to go ahead and focus on all our other ingredients. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 red pepper, 1 green pepper, 1 red onion, and a pack of garlic peeled. Go ahead and take your red onion, we're going to cut it in halves, and then we're going to do the same with our peppers. We're going to go ahead and drain our cilantro, and now we're going to go ahead and start adding everything into our food processor, starting with the cilantro. Now we're going to add our onion and our peppers. Clean your garlic as well, don't be nasty. Add them and blend. If you notice that some stuff are coming up, just go ahead and scrape, put it right in the mixture, and then blend again until combined. Now we're going to go ahead and take out our blade now that it's nice and pureed. As far as storing your sofrito, you can put it in any airtight container. For the video purpose, I'm going to use the first one that I showed you, but I do prefer to use a mason jar. Go ahead and grab a spoon or a ladle and slowly ladle your sofrito in your airtight container. Sofrito can be used in a number of different ways, so the possibilities are endless. You can use it for soups and sauces, you can use it for Spanish rice, you can use it to marinate meat or veggies. It'll keep in the airtight container for about a week. I would not recommend using it past a week. If you want to do maybe 2 days past a week, I would say smell it just to make sure it's still good. But like I said, I wouldn't recommend using it past a week. This recipe made about a mason jar and a half. I don't really think people need that much fucking sofrito. And that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. See ya!